Good evening everyone, I am Nino C. Ibaite and I am here to present my recitation about the effects of the quality of the products and the service that I bought to myself and share some of my experiences where the quality of the products that I bought exceeds my expectation or did not meet my expectation. First, the quality of the products has significant impact on the customer retention and the revenue of the company. For me, the quality of the product that I bought affect my satisfaction and happiness because the feeling where you buy a product and it has met your expectation or exceed it is amazing because you know that the money you spend was worth it. And it also makes you think to buy other things to that specific company that produce high quality products and become its regular customer. For example, when I bought a side cutter and a paintbrush online and it arrived and after I opened the box, the quality of the product that I buy exceeds my expectation. It gives me satisfaction and happiness. And after that time, I become a regular customer for that certain company. And every time I need to buy tools like side cutter or paintbrush, I always look for their store first and only bought something they don't have at the other stores because I become the regular customers. On the other hand, I bought something that did not meet my expectation because the quality of the product is different from what I imagine and even the look of it is totally different from what they have at the store. And after that, it only left me a dis- dis- disappointment and dissatisfaction and a note that I will not buy something from that store ever again. And this is where my recitation ends. Thank you for listening.